Hey YouTube, we are making a paper airplane, and I will show you how to make one. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Okay. First, if you don't know how to make a normal airplane, I'll show you, and then I'll do some other airplanes too. First, gonna fold it in half, unfold it, put it like, fold this one, and then fold the other side. Then you're going to want to grab these two edges and fold them in. Then you got to do the same thing to the other side. Sleeve it, put it up. Unfold it. Now we're going to do that. Flip it over, put it down, and then there. And there you go. I'll show you how it flies too. This is testing it. Oh, it made it in the bucket! That is the first airplane, and I'm making two other ones. Okay, the next plane we'll be making is like the same thing, but sideways. You're going to want to have it this way, hold it up this way, and then you're going to want to do that, and then flip it over, and then you're going to want to do the same thing. Hold it here, hold it there, and you want to go over here, grab this tip, put it over there, and then do the same thing, flip it, seal it, put it over, flip it over.
Trying to find new videos and say it's my birthday.
And then there. This is what it looks like at the end. I'm going to test it now. Fix it up. I'm just going to bend the tips of this. Need to tighten it more. It should work after a while. Okay, this is the last time. If it won't go, I'll make another one. This is the last plane I'm making. Oh no, I haven't even made it yet, so I'm gonna just try a random plane. Do that. Flip it open. There. Well, I might know this plane. There. Flip it downwards. And grab these two edges. There. Grab the other one. There. Then you're gonna flip that up. And then fold it. Flip it down. Go to the other side. And then flip it down. There you go. Let's test it. Here's a good one. And you're gonna want to fold these. How about this? Best plane ever. You get most of these parts. Okay, you're gonna make the best paper airplane. Watch how far it flies. Oh, that's pretty far. Let me try one more time. Thanks y'all for watching. Subscribe, comment, and don't forget to comment down below and say that you subscribed and like this video. Thanks for watching the funny video.